This video to correct the problem of cutting the tube by accident, the cuff by accident. It's very simple. You can correct this by putting the 22 gauge needle inside the connection here. Then you have 3-way. So we replace this valve by the 3-way. Okay. Then you connect the 3-way here. Then inflate the tube as you want. Then, as simple, you just close the valve, and that's it. You have returned back the tube inflated as much as you want. Okay. The size of 22 usually is sealed here. And if not, you can use the bigger one, which is 21, which 21 is the green one, but slightly difficult to insert.